Hi, I'm Ronald, and today we will be doing some food photography and, shall I say, an intentional mukbang. I was asked by my friend to do some food photography shots for their new product, which I will be taking later on in this video. But first, let's go over with the process of the shoot that I did. I am using my mobile phone, by the way, to take these shots. I am using a Huawei Nova 5T, not sponsored by the way, so bekin him in. Then I just grabbed some random stuff that I could use as props, like an old pants that I got from my mom's wardrobe. This was the closest thing to a burlap that I could find. I also have this wood slab, or we call this tadtaran in our dialect, and some random vegetables that are available. I was supposed to use natural light, but it was gloomy when I did this shoot, so I decided to use a ring light instead and diffuse it with a white piece of cloth. Watch until the end of the video to see the results. These are the new products that Seafood Alert are now offering. This is their seafood medley, available in two variants: their curry flavored seafood medley and seafood medley with spicy butter. Available for only 350 pesos for 1000 ml tub. Lami siya guys, and sulit pa jud. You can pre-order this through their social media accounts flashed on the screen. Deliveries are on weekends, so mga Cebuano palit. And here are the shots. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to follow me on my other social media accounts. Thanks, and see you soon.